Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope the holidays went well for everybody. And what are your plans for 2020? Alright guys, so we do have a new spoiler that has been found for the BoxyCharm base box for January. Now the December box is sold out, so if you sign up with BoxyCharm, you will be getting the January box. And this is the stuff that will be coming in it so far that we know of. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and your bell. That way you're notified of every video I upload. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was a spoiler I found for the BoxyCharm 2020 boxes. Congratulations, is it Tirza Umana? Not sure, I probably butchered that, I'm sorry honey. Anyway, she says, Happy New Year girl. Well, Happy New Year to you too, honey. I hope everything goes well for you this year. Thank you so much for your support, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bow and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's just go ahead and dive into this madness. Now I'm going to show you all the spoilers and then I'll show you the newly revealed product at the end. So the first thing, you'll either get the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. If you don't get that, you're going to be getting the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. Now, of course, that's going to be matched just perfectly for you. And then next up is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask. Now this is a variation, but we don't know what the other product is, so we're still waiting on that. Now the next thing is another variation. You're either going to get the Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn palette or the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. If you don't get those 2 palettes, you're going to be getting the Dr. Brandt 24/7 Retinol Eye Cream. Now those 3 variations were choice items, so if you didn't choose, you will be getting one of those 3 items. Now the last thing, and certainly not least, this has just been revealed today, and I'll show you the video clip in just a minute. It was on Joe's Instagram. Is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. Now again, this is another variation item, and we don't know what this is going to be varied with. So here is the clip that Joe had on his Instagram.
Alright, so officially we have sold out of our December box and we started selling. If you subscribe now, you receive your January box. Those are 4 items out of 5. I do not want to reveal the whole box. This is one more item that some of you are going to receive. And this is basically an exfoliating truffle face gommage by Skin & Co. Now I wanted to show you clear. If you do not receive the highlighter from Too Faced, you're going to receive a concealer from Pretty Vulgar. But look how cool this thing is. This is something else. This packaging is something that's really cool. Look, I'm trying to do it with one hand. It's kind of like elevated over here. It's really cool. We also have Glow Recipe. A lot of you are going to receive the Glow Recipe, but if it's not the Glow Recipe, there'll be other items. Again, I want to keep the element of surprise. And we have a palette. It's actually one of 2 palettes like I showed before. And if it's not a palette, it's going to be an Eye Retinol by Dr. Brandt. This is one potential part of the box that you're going to receive. We put it over here. January, and it's with one more item. And that is a $25 box, the base box.
So anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. And as always, as soon as they reveal anything else or confirm anything, I will keep you guys updated. You know, I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Holly. Is it Kayana? I'm not sure. I hope I didn't butcher that. If I did, I'm sorry, honey. Anyways, Holly says, it's cute. I wouldn't mind it. Yeah, I know. I mean, it is a cute little bangle, but you know, some people prefer to keep it just makeup in that box. But you know what? Everybody's got different opinions. And honey, thank you so much. I really appreciate the support. It just warms up my heart. Thank you, girl. I love you. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell is set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. Guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.